I love the fact that some of us actually saw a huge amount of money and was like, what? Let's just hear what they have to say. And what I want to say is that it is possible. I welcome you. My name is Amo Joseph and I'm a business coach. Basically, I go about searching for opportunities that will better the lives of people legitimately, and here I come. So I took my time out to search what is metaforce. So metaforce is a cryptocurrency ecosystem that incentivizes the process of inviting a new user to the system under the new era of the connected economy. So if you are not going to be a part of this, guys, trust me, you are doing yourself no good. So this is the business that the big boys, the youths have been doing, and they've been really cashing out big time. So guys, don't miss this opportunity for any reason. So why metaphors? What is this metaphors that everybody is even shouting down? What was it? So metaphors has an amazing unique system. Metaphors has a false coin product. The system is hosted on the blockchain, so it cannot be hacked. So it has a recurring income for life from a once off $5 joining fee. It has no admin or renewal fees. It has an 100% instant payment directly to your blockchain private wallet. And how you need to set up your wallet, I'm going to show you all that. That is the list of our problem right now, because we are going to sort out that in no time. So you earn from a direct referral, a top and bottom spill overflow. This English is becoming too much. It will be clearer to you when you join the platform and you begin to build your own team. But by the way, we are going to explain all that to you in no time. As a matter of fact, you even get to understand all that with the post and every other activities that is going to be happening right on this platform. So you earn from upgrading and recycle. So one of the powerful features and uniqueness of metaphors is that you use your own personal link to build your own team. So you can actually withdraw your money anytime. Then you can work from home and build a team around the globe. There is no limit. Now we are approaching the real question. How do we earn? So guys, you earn by building a team. When you invite a partner to take place under you, a 100% payment is credited to your trust wallet. Number two, you earn from spillovers, earning from your team as a whole from both the top sponsor and your bottom downline. You earn by reinvesting the opening of same slot at a different level so that you can continue to earn from it. Upgrading, opening the next slot of a more expensive level. Each level is 2 times the cost of the previous level, so you earn money at a higher level while the previous lower level still earns income for you as a new partner joining in. So you make money by buying a higher slot. You earn by unlocking more slots using your own money. This unlock at least 5 plus slots as spillovers, which will start kicking in from top flow and the bottom flow. So now how can I withdraw from my metaverse to my bank account? You can withdraw your money at any time, any day, with no limit. Your money is paid instantly into your trust wallet. Once your money is in your token pocket or your MetaMask is ready for withdrawal or for use, you can sell your USDT to new members who are just joining. MetaMask has 22 streams of income. Minimum of entry of $5, free coins, asset or account that grows into value, automatic reinvestment, automatic upgrade. You can sell any of your digital assets to over 2 million persons. Metaforce is a smart contract that is built under a chain without an admin or third party. 100% commission paid. Metaverse is hosted by the most secure technology in the world, blockchain. Metaverse is built on a decentralized application, the app, with a decentralized finance No government of any country can stop the business. No monthly maintenance. Anybody can join your team from any part of the world. Cash out, pay out instantly, automatically. Non-fungible tokens, NFT, traders club, staking, metaverse, gaming, and much more. Even they are still discovering more and more opportunities. In readiness for your registration, you need to work hard to bag the money effortlessly. Millionaires will be made, and is a lifetime generational wealth that can't be stopped, or you cannot change it because it is built under the blockchain. Imagine you missing metaforce. Imagine you missing all these massive benefits. So this is too much, guys, for you to miss. Join us now at the metaforce and start growing your team. Welcome to the leading team, the team of Coach Joseph. I really appreciate you for listening.